Hi, my name's David. I'm going to show you how to replace the rear hatch supports on a 2007 Toyota Prius. If you have a different year, the job is really the same, so the particular year doesn't matter too much. It's a very simple job. When they get old, they don't lift the back hatch up well, and it doesn't even really stay up too well. These struts are about 48 bucks a piece. They call them lifts or something or other. So I also mentioned there's a right and a left, plainly marked with a big L and an R for the right side. So we'll get started here. First thing you need to do is locate a piece of wood or some sort of a support to hold up your hatch, because when you take the old strut off, the hatch will not be supported. So get a piece of wood or anything to hold it up. Here's another shot of the old one. So this band here needs to be lifted out a little bit, and then this will just come off of this ball joint. Here's the bottom attachment. So again, you've got to pry this band. You don't have to completely remove it, but you just have to pry it away a little bit, and then it will come off this ball joint. Here's the old ball joint after you've lifted off the strut. Here's what the inside looks like. You can see how that band, the ends of that band, go around that ball joint to hold it on. Pried up or off that band, this is what it looks like. And it opens up the inside so that it comes off of that ball joint. Attaching them is much easier. You don't have to pry that band up. I put some grease on that ball joint, and then you just push it on. It's just, you don't have to pry up that band. You just push it on. It's very simple. You may need to adjust your support to get a hatch to be the exact height. So I'm just going to push this on right now. And that's all there is to it. It's very simple. I'm going to undo the other side. So just put your screwdriver in there, pry that band out. You don't have to completely remove it, and then just pull it off. You've got to have your support, because this thing will crash down if you don't. Okay, I got this side off. Now I will work on the bottom end. Put a dab of grease on that ball joint on both of them. Position it over that ball joint and then push it on. And then the same thing at the top. You want the wide and the thick end at the bottom, just like the old ones were. Both replaced. This door stays up very well now. You might from time to time spray a little silicone spray on the shaft. That's it. Very easy job. Good luck.